Yeah,
I
my
hear
wife.
this is only it's enough.
Just a little piercing.
Oh,
Oh, the mess. Oh my god! Please, you can't see this.
this is your only account right now. Do
Your
you
English is very good. How long have you?
No.
It's a Muslim country, but they speak.
Sada Guru.
Shadagul, Shadagul.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
I would like to sure 100% this is very one and then World Child
Health. So my question
Yeah.
আমি কাঁঠাল খাই
Ami Kantakai. I'm very bad.
okay wow
It's like this.
you're actually yes it's
Oh,
like
amazing.
I'm speaking from England. So
Facing his side of the room, and the flag's back there. But yeah, I get so many questions about that.
So yes. So yeah, I have seen.
They are ants playing.
Yes.
Okay, let me screen share with you here. Let's get it up. Okay.
Yes, I'm watching.
Okay. Open in
Yes.
over 100 countries. Okay, let's see here. So what is IELTS? IELTS is an English language test for study, migration.
I've only walked on the railroads. I've never been on a train before.
Okay.
This is beautiful.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, this is this is like it. Very nice. Okay, yes.
A sunflower. Where are
I
you?
like your shirt.
Yes. Wow. Thank you so much.
yes what is it what is the symbol
Actually, this is.
We play volleyball.
Oh, you play volleyball.
Yes.
It is an amazing business to get into, and I can help you if you want. I can give you some information.
So I'm still. This is a small font, and I am still on and towards preposition. When will I use? Please kindly give me some information about this. I'm very happy.
Okay.
Can you hearing me?
Yes, great. My name is T.
Okay.
Nice and easy, T.
Why are you learning English?
How has your day been?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Hello.
All right. So when you would use upon.
Hello, sir. How are you?
very well indeed. Thank you very much. Thank you for asking.
So your body is facing here. Anything behind you? Anything that...
This is the little person, okay? So this little person, I have a little egg here, okay? So I always use this to explain like in, on, under.
My name is
here.
India.
You're India.
Yes, my name is India, just like the country.
Nuruddin, tell me about yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. Where are you from?
Compare these with comparative. So we would say this bottle is bigger than this bottle.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I try. Amibat Kabo, I will try. Amibat Keta try. Amibat Keta. Amibat Keta try.
Chai. So bro, yeah, you're from South Africa or Africa?
I was teaching in a government school.
Wow, government school.
Online.
Yes.
You are beautiful. Seriously.
What is that in the field? Is that cassava?
Yes. This is about Bangladesh.
What sort of job will you do?
Proud to be a Muslim, alhamdulillah.
Wow, good. I am also Muslim.
Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yeah, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Kaifa haluka?
Kaifa anta, I think. Arabic, little bit.
Yes, alhamdulillah, ana bi khair.
No, understand. Only words, certain words. Very,
okay,
very
so-
little.
That's great. And do you enjoy it?
Fantastic. And do you have any questions for me?
In England, it's 4.
N-U-R. N-U-R.
1 o'clock.
Brilliant.
25.
No. Older women, it's a joke.
Okay.
Something and some.
Exactly. So if we're
Okay.
talking about quantity, do you know what
Yeah.
quantity?
Yeah, Mexi. Okay.
Pandemic. But actually, I am, born and raised.
Wow.
Like that one.
Kind of just put together.
Oh, very. So
Yeah, we used to sing it
Yeah.
in school, but that was more to learn it than anything. So
Yes.
that's
Tell me
the
to
only-
say something horrible. It was nice to meet you, Noradine.
Okay, nice to meet you. Lovely meet you.
Have a good
Okay,
day.
see you again.
Bye bye.
Okay, see you. Okay, see you again. Bye bye.